8 divided by 2 in parentheses 2 plus 2, which equals how much? Are you ready to solve the correct answer of this problem? Let us start it. Okay, so here 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then 2 times 4, which equals 8. Okay, then 8 divided by 8, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. So in this expression, there is one parenthesis here, then one division and one multiplication here. Okay. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay. If we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Okay. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, 2 plus 2, which equals 4. Then here 8 divided by 2 times 4. Okay. So in this expression there is one division and one multiplication. As I said, in PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division has equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. Okay. Therefore, this division has higher priority than this multiplication. 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. Then 4 times 4 is equals 16. Okay. Therefore, the final answer of this problem equals to 16. 6 divided by 2, then here 2 plus 2. Okay. 6 divided by 2 in parentheses 2 plus 2. Follow the above step and put your answer on the comment section. Thank you.